Right, in this video, we're going to use algebra to show that 0.4642, the 42 recurring, is equivalent or equal to 106 over 165. Now, you just can't put this in your calculator and say that's equal to that. You have to actually show it algebraically. So there's a procedure for doing this. What you do is you let x be equal to 0.642 recurring. So that means that x is equal to 0, 42, 42, 42 forevermore. Now what you need to do, first of all, is because we just want the recurring bit, this side of the decimal point, is multiply it by 10. So 10x will give me 6.424242 evermore. Right, and then we need to do is move the decimal point along a couple more places, so that we can, so that the 4 2's will be lined up in the next one. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So if I move the 1, 2, that means I've now multiplied x by 1,000, because this is actually represents 10x. So 1,000x will be 642, 42, 42, 42. So everything is now lined up. The 4's, the 2's are lined up, because if I now do 1,000x minus 10x, I get 642 minus 6. But here I get 4 minus 4, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 4, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 4. Everything cancels out. So 1,000x minus 10x is 990x. And 642 minus 6 gives me 636. That is now, if we divide both sides by 990, we're going to get x is equal to 636 over 990, and that then does cancel down to 106 over 165. So you have to put all this sort of working out to show that this recurring decimal is equal to this fraction. So this has been a video to show you how to change a recurring decimal to a fraction. I hope you've understood. Oh, sorry. So finally, 0.642 recurring is equal to our decimal, our fraction 106 over 165. Thank you very much for watching.